How long does a hair transplant surgery take? Well, this really varies between patients because it depends on how many follicles you need. Now, at our clinic, we don't do more than 2,500 follicles per day. And the reason is because we want to really extract the hairs very, very carefully and minimize the damage to your donor area and also increase the rate of survival of your hair follicles. Another reason is when we're extracting follicles with a rapidly rotating punch, sometimes if you're going too fast, it can actually burn the skin and leave little scars behind. So what we do is we slow it down. Extraction rate is a little bit slower, but at the end of the day, we find that it's a lot better for the patients with regards to the healing and the growth. So anything over 2,500 follicles, we will divide into 2 days. And each surgical day takes about 6 to 8 hours per session. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please ask us. We want to answer all of them.